Hey guys, Kimbo202 here, and I'm in the garage for some reason. This guy outside is all orange, and I just wanted to make a video and see what's actually like. I didn't open the garage yet, but I will in a minute. By the way, I got a little Skipper plush. It's not new, I had it for a while, but watch, let's just get started. Ricky! Might be normal to you guys, but to me, yikes. It stopped raining. I can hear thunder too. Well, it's 8:37 at night, August 18th. You can hear thunder, but it's not raining. I just have my skipper with me. My mom said this is the perfect weather for a tornado, but I don't see one. I don't see a rainbow. Wowza. You can hear thunder from that way. Jeez. You can hear thunder from southeast. Oh man, I love this. Not the weather, I mean, I got some new sandals / flip-flops because the one I got from the baseball game broke. So, there's thunder coming from that way. But it was just raining a while ago. I bet you guys can hear the crickets. Oh, and I just saw a firefly too. Man. Man, these are so soft. Those are my new flip-flops and / sandals. They're soft and this is soft. That part is soft. Man, they were only $3 too. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys just saw that. I just saw the lightning over there. Wow. Not wind or tornado. Just like in March. I don't get it. There was a thunderstorm last night. And there's probably another one right now. Oh, I just saw another flash of lightning. It was crazy last night. heard the siren go off. I'm just hearing things. It's like orange out here. And the garage light turned off. That happens a lot. Hey, what do you think you're doing in that garage, Mr. Firefly? No, come here. Trying to catch it. Hang on. Come on. Come here. Oh my god. It was on me. Oh, I caught it. I caught it. I caught it. I caught it, guys. I caught a firefly. See, watch. That's a firefly that was on my thumb. I love catching fireflies. I was trying to catch it. I just saw a flash of lightning over there again. Woo. Oh wow. That was pretty close. Now what time is it? It's been 7 minutes. 8:43. Wow. Well, it's getting dark. The orange is over there because the sun's going down. And wow. Man. Wow. I'm gonna go inside. But I hope that you guys like this video. And I can't believe I caught a firefly on video. Okay, so this is King Boo Tutorial 2, and I'll see you in the next video. So, bye!